yung nakita niya nakaputi. CJ Perez just attacking that.
They look to swing it again. 8 segundo pa naman sa kanilang shot clock. Turnaround jumper. Jumar delivers.
It's just coming from everywhere.
Pagsasagunin mo ako
Basta magkita tayo doon, ako na bahala sa'yo.
Pagsasagunin mo ako Terence with another dime. First quarter, ganda pa ng bakbakan doon, but since the second quarter on, it's been all San Miguel.
Yun yung biggest quarter ng San Miguel, diba? 36-20 in terms of yung lamang, diba? They did it offensively and
Terence dancing. Doesn't work. Amores breaks out. Nice location by you. Nauna naman si Amores. Getting some garbage points here para sa Northport.
anybody.
Tight. Nice block by Will. He does average about 2 of those. Huli ni Terence si Amores.
Yung unang dalawa, basically, yung unang, di ba, yung unang dalawang layup nito si Amores, hindi challenge ni Terence Romeo, ba?